I have a pool light with a light switch that I'm flipping up and down and it won't turn on. I checked the power at the breaker box in the house. That appears fine. What else could it be?
So there's really only two options at this point. If you know that you have that breaker working and you know you don't have a bad breaker, let's make that assumption, then there's two possibilities. One is that there's something wrong with the light itself, either the bulb, depending on what type of light it is, if you have an issue inside the light and the bulb isn't working, or more than likely that power runs through a GFI somewhere. In some cases, there's a GFI breaker put in the panel for the light, but oftentimes electricians will feed the light off of a GFI outlet back at the equipment pad. So more than likely, that's what's going to be the scenario, and look for an outlet with a GFI, re-push and restart the GFI, and likely your light will work.